Dive back in time to the Zimbabwean general elections of July 31st, 2018. Nelson Chamisa, the youthful leader of the Movement for Democratic Change Alliance, and Emerson Mnangagwa, the incumbent from the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, locked horns in a fierce political battle. Chamisa claimed victory, but the official results crowned Mnangagwa the winner. Controversy ensued. Allegations of rigged elections surfaced. Chamisa dismissed the results as fraudulent, sparking a political crisis that continues to simmer under the surface of Zimbabwe's political landscape. Scene script. Fast forward to 2024. Chamisa still refuses to acknowledge Mnangagwa as the legitimate president, leading to his refusal for dialogue. But why? The answer lies in the principle of democratic legitimacy. Chamisa believes that engaging in dialogue with Mnangagwa would imply acceptance of the 2018 election results, an acceptance he is not ready to make. Chamisa's refusal also stems from his demand for an impartial mediator in any potential dialogue. He insists on the presence of an external mediator, such as the Southern African Development Community or the African Union, to ensure fairness and impartiality. So, we've explored the historical context, the controversy surrounding the election results, Chamisa's stand on democratic legitimacy, and his demand for an impartial mediator. Each a piece of the puzzle, each contributing to his steadfast refusal for dialogue with Mnangagwa. In essence, Chamisa's refusal to engage in dialogue with Mnangagwa is rooted in his quest for democratic legitimacy and fairness, a stand that continues to divide opinions, fuel debates, and shape the future of Zimbabwean politics. The question now remains, will this political standoff find a resolution, or will it continue to cast a shadow over Zimbabwe's political landscape? Only time will tell. And with that, we've wrapped up our exploration of why Chamisa refuses dialogue with Mnangagwa, a tale of politics, power, and principles. A tale that continues to unfold.